Love bombing. Giving too much attention and affection at first to control someone later. At first he was love bombing her, then he started ignoring her. Be careful, love bombing is not real love. Breadcrumbing. When someone gives small bits of attention to keep you interested but never commits. He keeps texting her once a week, classic breadcrumbing. Stop breadcrumbing people if you're not serious. Push someone's buttons. To deliberately annoy someone. Stop pushing my buttons, I'm not in the mood. She knows how to push his buttons to make him mad. Down in the dumps. Feeling very sad or depressed. She's been down in the dumps since her breakup. I felt down in the dumps after losing my job. Go to the dogs. To become worse in quality or condition. This city has really gone to the dogs since the factory closed. His health went to the dogs after he stopped exercising. Lose one's cool. To stop being calm and get angry. She lost her cool when her kids started fighting. Try not to lose your cool during meetings. Blow off steam. To release anger or stress. I went jogging to blow off some steam. He plays video games to blow off steam after work. Pain in the neck. Someone or something very annoying. My boss is a pain in the neck. These traffic jams are such a pain in the neck. Loose cannon. Someone unpredictable and possibly dangerous. He's a loose cannon, you never know what he'll say. Don't send her to the meeting, she's a loose cannon. Nail in the coffin. Something that makes failure or death certain. His last mistake was the final nail in the coffin. The scandal was a nail in the coffin for his career. Bite someone's head off. To reply angrily. I just asked a question, don't bite my head off. She bit his head off when he was late again. Out for blood. Wanting revenge or to hurt someone. After the fight, he was out for blood. The boss was out for blood after the mistake. Kick up a fuss. To complain or protest loudly. She kicked up a fuss when her order was late. Don't kick up a fuss, it's just a small issue. Bad egg. A person who behaves badly or causes trouble. He's always lying, such a bad egg. One bad egg can ruin the whole team. Crash and burn. To fail completely and suddenly. His business crashed and burned in a year. The project crashed and burned after poor planning. Go off the rails. To lose control or start behaving badly. He went off the rails after losing his job. Her life went off the rails when she got mixed with the wrong crowd. Backhanded compliment. A compliment that's actually an insult. You look good for your age, that's a backhanded compliment. He always gives those fake, backhanded compliments. Tear someone down. To make someone feel small or unworthy with words. He always tears others down to feel better. Don't tear people down, lift them up instead. Butter wouldn't melt in their mouth. Someone who pretends to be innocent but is actually sneaky. She looks so sweet, but butter wouldn't melt in her mouth. Don't be fooled, he's not as nice as he looks. Full of oneself. Very proud or arrogant. He's so full of himself since he got promoted. Don't be full of yourself, stay humble. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.